How to start freelancing with no experience and no skills in Upwork. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Keith and I'm a new freelancer. I started just this year in January 2022. Now I am earning over $600 to $800 per month and sometimes more. Depends on how many clients I can get within the month because I accept both short-term projects and also long-term projects. So today I will share to you guys how I started freelancing online in 2022 and share with you guys tips that you need to know for you to become a successful freelancer, and also share to you how you can get your first client as a freelancer. And in the middle of this video guys, I will be sharing to you where you can get online courses for free, so don't miss that opportunity. So before we dive into our particular topic today, let me share to you first the benefits of working as a freelance. So first is you have the freedom to work on your own. You can choose what time you want to work and what day you want to work. Second, if you use laptop, then you can work anywhere you want. You can work from your home or outside as long as you have the internet or Wi-Fi and electricity to plug in your laptop if needed. I already experienced working outside, and to be honest guys, it's very nice to work outside, especially on the beach or if you are surrounded by nature. It's very relaxing and you feel motivated and inspired. That is one of the best benefits that I am enjoying working as a freelance. And here are some of the pictures that I have. Let me share with you guys. I also love working in a cafe, and also most of the time if I am here in the city, I spend a lot of times working in McDonald's. I don't know, but I just love the vibe, the lights and the ambience and everything in McDonald's. That's why I love working there. And the third benefits that you can enjoy as a freelance is that you can earn more. Unlike the regular job that even though you will be working so hard or not, you have this fixed salary. And you can only increase your salary through bonuses and also decrease your salary if you will be absent during your working schedule. And also to increase your salary, you need to be promoted, and to be promoted, you need to stay in the company for 3 years, 5 years, or 10 years for you to be qualified for promotion. But here in freelancing, it's very different because here, the more you work hard, the more money you can get. Because if you will be working multiple clients, then it means that there are many clients that will pay you. And the more experience that you have as a freelance, the more that you can increase your hourly rate. For example, you will start at $3 per hour. After you experience working with 3 or 5 clients, you can start increasing your hourly rate from $3 to $5, $5 to $10, $10 to $15, something like that. And also, the more experience that you have, there are a lot of big businesses that are willing to pay you more because of your experience. That's how freelancing works. So freelancing is like climbing a ladder. Time to time, you are climbing to the next step, to the next step, to the next step. Time to time, you are growing and you are increasing, something like that. So now let's dive into our particular topic today. I'm sorry for the long introduction. How to start freelancing. So here's the first thing that I did when I started my freelancing. First is finding my niche. It's the service that you want to offer to your future client. And I have 8 tips for you guys on how you can choose your niche or service. So first, make sure that it is something that you are passionate or interested doing, not just for short term, but for a long term. And second, make sure that you choose niche or service that is connected to what you want to become in the future. For example, what you want to become after 3 years or 5 years from now. For example, me, I want to become an expert on doing business online using different social media platforms, and that's why I choose social media marketing. because 3 years or 5 years from now, I want to become an expert when it comes to doing business using different social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Pinterest, and others. So I choose social media marketing because it's connected to what I want to become, something like that. I also do graphic designs and video editing and also copywriting. Those are additional services that I offer to my clients, and those are also connected to what I want to become in the future. So if you are also interested to become a social media specialist or social media manager, then guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I will be doing a separate video that will cover everything about social media marketing for beginners, so don't miss that. So the second step that I did is research. So when I choose social media marketing, I don't have a lot of knowledge about social media marketing. I just know that it's related to social media, which I am interested doing. That's why I choose it. And I did a lot of research like what is social media marketing is, what are the things that I need to learn about social media marketing, and what are the skills that I need to do social media marketing. I did a lot of research using Google and YouTube to gather informations, but to be honest, I'm really having hard time of getting all the informations organized because things that you will be learning from Google and YouTube are not that well organized, and also it's just a pieces of a puzzle. You really not be learning the whole thing, like learning from beginners and becoming an expert, not like that. But luckily guys, I found a platform where I learned everything and develop my skills that I need for social media marketing. And what I love about this platform is that I use this platform for free and I watch all the courses for free as well. And this platform, guys, is Skillshare.com. The time that I signed up to their platform, I get 2 months of free access to all the courses. So I take advantage of it. And to be honest, guys, all their courses are complete. Like if you will be watching their courses from the start, you are a beginner, and when you finish the course, you are like an expert. So I really recommend Skillshare to everyone if you want to learn something new, or you want to learn new skills, or just to upskill. Their courses may take 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours. Sometimes there are 4 hours and 8 hours, maybe depends on what kind of courses you want to learn. They have a lot of courses there, like for virtual assistant, graphic design, video editing, social media marketing, Photoshop, accounting, bookkeeping, everything that you want to learn online, I guess it's in there. So just visit Skillshare.com, guys. And if you want to get a free 1 month access to all their courses, so just click the link in the description box and just sign up and get your 1 month free access to all their courses. Now the third and the last step. So once you found your niche and you learn everything about your niche and you have the skills, then it's time for you to look for your first client and get your first project. And by the way, guys, before we discuss about how you find your first client and how to win your first project, I will give you first an advice. If you're currently employed right now or you are working with someone, then don't quit that job. Keep that job and make freelancing as your part-time job first. Because I am telling you guys, when you start freelancing, you will not be earning more here. You will be earning less when you just started. Because like what I told you before, freelancing is like an experience-based kind of job. It means that if you have experience, then the more money you can get. But if you don't have an experience, it means that you will start from scratch, and that is getting less pay. And that's normal because when you start freelancing, guys, earning or how much you earn is not the most important. When you start freelancing, the most important that you need to focus on is building your profile, building your portfolio, and getting positive feedback from your client. These are the things that you need to focus first when you start freelancing. And I'm telling you, once you have this, then you can earn more as you want. So now here are my tips how you can find your first client. So I use Upwork Freelance. You can go to upwork.com and create your own profile to start using the platform if you like to. But if you are using Fiverr, Instagram or Facebook or other platform, then that's fine. But for starter guys, my tip is don't compete with other freelancer with a lot of experience by sending proposal to big clients or a big project because you want to earn more right away. Don't do that, because if you will be sending proposal to big clients or to big projects. For example, there are someone looking for social media marketing to manage their social media, and they offer like $6 or $8 per hour, and you like that because they offer a lot, so you want to submit proposal that you can do the job even though you don't have any experience. You should not do that, because those big clients, they are willing to pay more to get a freelancer with a lot of experience. So if you submit proposal and if they will check your profile and you don't have anything there, you don't have any freelancing experience yet, they will just reject your proposal. So it's just a waste of time and also waste of effort of writing something that you know that you will not be accepted. So if you are just starter, you just need to start from the small businesses, small clients. So try to submit proposal to small businesses and offer less service fee to get experience and to start building your own profile and portfolio, and also to get positive feedback. Because what will happen if you charge more to small businesses and they are not satisfied of your service, they will give you negative feedback, which is the thing that we need to avoid when you start freelancing. Because especially on Upwork and Fiverr, when your client give you positive or negative feedback, that feedback will stay on your profile and everyone can see it. So if that is a negative feedback, everyone can see that, and that can be the reason why you will not be getting clients in the future. So we need to avoid that. Or you can start sending proposal to big clients or big businesses. However, you need to offer free service. That is also one of the strategy that other freelancers do. They submit proposal to big businesses and they offer free services just for them to get experience, to start building their portfolio, and also to get positive feedback from that big businesses. Also, offering free services to big businesses can also lead you of getting a lot of connections. So those are the things that you can do when you start your freelancing and get your first client. And once you have enough experience, guys, and build your good profile and portfolio, then that is the time that you can slowly increase your hourly rate. And also that is the time that you can make your freelancing job as your full-time job, and you can enjoy working anywhere and anytime you like, depends on what niche or service you choose to do as a freelancer. So if you have any question, guys, just comment below, and if you learned something today from this video, don't forget to give it a like by hitting the like button below. And also I like to cover from my channel how to make money online, so if you are also into that, then do subscribe to my channel as well. So I guess that's all for today's video, and thank you so much for watching.